Sino dito sa inyo ang nakabili ng products from Instagram and Facebook marketplaces? So katulad sa ating Instagram account, no, you're scrolling through your Instagram, nagmamarites ka on your friends' activities, and the people you follow. Somewhere in the middle, for sure, you have come across a sponsored post. For example, in my case, I've come across a samyupsal grill. So it features how easy it is and how you can have your samyupsal grill party at home instead of going to the restaurants. So yung image na yon, it can be a product photo or a video. Meron siyang view products tag or my link. So it will take you to a product page with pricing and details about the grill. You select your size. You tap your buy now button, and in just a few clicks, you have completed your purchase in the app. Tapos, you go straight back to your Instagram, nag-scroll ka through your feed once again. Maaring alam mo o hindi, but what you just experienced is social commerce in action. So ano nga ba ang social commerce? That is what we're going to talk about today. If you're interested, stick around and don't forget to thumbs up this video. Everyone, yes, I am back po after a few weeks of not being able to create a new video for you. So I'd like to thank everybody for being so patient and for understanding na hindi tayo nakapag-post. But here I am today. I am welcoming you to another interesting video. And kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, and you would want to sell online, you have come to the right place because I create videos about online selling, how you can be successful. I give tips, practices, mga best practices, tutorials. So please consider subscribing kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, and i-click mo na rin yung bell notification para updated ka sa aking mga bagong videos. So, ang social commerce po ay hindi actually bago sa atin. We have been doing it for a few years already. So nitong pag-open ng mga businesses as we all go back to normal, did you know na people are shopping more online? Yes, tama po kayo. Ang GMV po o yung gross merchandise value had grown threefolds across the region compared to the same period time last year. So kung nakasubaybay ka sa aking mga videos for quite some time, alam nyo that we focus more on the top e-commerce platforms dito sa Philippines katulad ng Lazada. And I think it's time for us to pay attention to social commerce. Ang social commerce po ay magkaiba sa e-commerce. They are two different concepts. So kilalanin lang natin because I know naman na alam nyo na ang social commerce. It's just that ang nakikita natin more online is the word e-commerce. So ang social commerce at ang e-commerce ay may kaibahan because e-commerce po refers to a shopping experience via a website or dedicated branded application. So, ang perfect example ng e-commerce, ng mga top e-commerce dito sa Philippines is yung Lazada, yung Shopee, yung Zalora. So, meron silang sariling website where people or yung mga potential customers would download and go to this website in order to check or purchase products. Walang social commerce po, by definition, it allows customer to make their purchase within their social media experience. So ano nga ba ang social commerce? To simplify, social commerce is the buying and selling of goods or if you are offering services directly on social media. So ano yung mga top social media na meron dito sa atin sa Pilipinas? Of course, yung mga social media account katulad ng Facebook, ng Instagram, and then etong rising na social media dito sa Philippines is yung TikTok. So hindi to katulad ng social media marketing. Ang social commerce, it will give your customers the option to check out directly from social platforms. So I guess napakadaling intindihin naman kung ano ang social commerce, no? Ang social platform, most of the time, or actually not most of the time, but they are containing links that will lead directly to the seller's product page where customers can complete their purchase. So hindi na nila kailangan lumabas pa ng account na yon or ng application na yon para bumili, but it is inside the social media platform already. Here are the reasons why you need to join this emerging business trend right now. Number 1, social commerce is the second most preferred channel for shopping in the Philippines. Nasa 82% po yaan in the Philippines ha, na ang social commerce daw po ang pangalawang preferred channel ng mga Filipinos to buy products. And in Southeast Asia, it's at 78%, surpassing mga offline stores. So of course, we're not gonna talk about it without any data. So in a report by ICALA, ang ICALA po is an artificial intelligence solutions. So meron silang kinuhang data that the orders of goods made or being sold sa social media platform dito sa Philippines soared by 129% in the first half. So imagine nyo, that's 129%. It's a record high for the country. So ang social commerce orders in the Philippines hit a record high nung first semester. So what's in it for us, mga sellers? Of course, hindi lang ito nagka-create ng opportunity to sell online sa mga big brands, but also para sa ating mga small business owners. Number 2, ang social commerce is more user-friendly and entry is free, or yung ibang social commerce at a minimal cost. So, salamat sa e-commerce because yung mga product developers, mga app developers have begun to develop tools and platforms to make social commerce easier for both buyers and sellers. So, nagpo-provide sila ng solutions for brands looking for ways to make social promotions and sell through social media. So it makes our social shopping experience more user-friendly and palatable for consumers. So if you're planning to sell online, most of the social commerce platforms are free and some can get started at a minimal cost. It's user-friendly because rather than redirecting customers to an online store, di ba ginagawa natin kapag nagsa-social media marketing natin is nilalagay pa natin yung link ng ating store. But sa social commerce, ang customer, they can directly visit your store dun mismo sa loob ng social commerce platform. So kahit saan pa si customers, so as long as may internet sila and they're using their mobile phone, they can visit your shop anywhere. So by letting the customer check out directly through your social media platform, ang social commerce removes yung mga unnecessary steps na and pinapadali niya yung buying process. So ang social commerce, it creates more yung tinatawag nating frictionless journey for the customer and of course, more sales para sa mga retailer o yung mga small business owner na katulad Number 3, they create the demand for you. Paano ko to nasabi? On a seller's perspective, gone are the days na po na kung saan as a seller, we think about kung ano nga ba yung mga may demand na mga products or mga trends Tapos type natin yung keyword, isa-search pa natin siya, no? But sa social commerce, hindi mo na kailangan magkaroon ng demand. Bakit ko ito nasabi? I've been studying the social commerce for the past few weeks, and one thing I realized is that these social commerce create the demand for you. So the digital contents that you see in the social media platform, lalong-lalo na yung mga videos, no? It drives impulse purchases. So it removes the friction. Andito na tayo sa panahon that where people see it, click it, and then buy it. So sinabi ko kanina, no, it creates that frictionless customer journey, so making it easy to follow from discovery of your products up to purchase. So nandun na lahat. The products are there inside your social media platform. So you got nowhere to go but to check out. Number 4. Ito pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat. Millennials and Gen Z like to shop in social commerce. So kung yung target market mo ay Gen Zs and Millennials, then selling through social commerce is the best way to go. So eto, ang social commerce is the modern mall. For TikTok alone, alam nyo ba na 60% of users are Generation Z? So eto yung generation na, oh, I like it, I buy it mentality. So again, kung target demographic mo lies within the range of 18 years old to 34 na age range, they're already online and waiting to shop while they scroll their social media accounts. Number 5, of course, kaya nga tayo, no, susubukan ng social commerce because dahil or, ayan na, paulit-ulit na, because or dahil, but with social commerce, there is money to be made. Yun naman talaga yung purpose natin, bakit tayo nagbebenta online, no? Ang kumita. There is money to be made sa social commerce. Numbers don't lie. Researchers are forecasting that the online sales, e-commerce and social commerce combined will surpass $735 billion in the next 3 years worldwide. So if you want in on this action, it makes sense to bring your goods to the online spaces where your customers are already hanging out. And where do they hang out? Of course, sa mga social media platforms. Ang social media has opened doors for users to connect. We're able to connect with long-lost friends, stay up to date sa mga news, globally or locally, and of course, express ourselves through creative content online. Now, social commerce is the new frontier, but will surely become mainstream before we know it. So as an online seller, experiment with social commerce and leverage it to grow your business. Kasi this is only the beginning. Social commerce will evolve further and progressive retailers, mga small business owners, will find the future exciting. Kasi kahit ako, na-excite po ako sa social commerce. Ang beauty kasi ng social commerce is that almost anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can start selling on social media and also can buy on social media. Of course, meron din naman siyang challenges. But if you are a seller who are quick to adopt effective solution para eliminate mo yung mga pain points to retain engagement and yung trust ng customers mo in the long run, then social commerce is the new trend, the new or emerging business trend that I would highly recommend, especially kung ikaw ay bago pa lang na online seller. If you find value in what this vlog does, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, share it with your friends and family, and of course, ang aking super thanks is now activated sa ating channel. So if you appreciate what I do and you want to support me directly, you can buy a super thanks and your comment will be highlighted in this video. See you in my next video. Bye!